So here's a bike by ARAI. I know most of you think that ARAI is an agency that provides vehicle certification and does vehicle testing. That is what I thought so until I saw this bike at the Auto Expo 2020. So let me tell you something about this bike. So the stock bike here is Mahindra Mojo and they have modified it to be an hybrid electric vehicle.
So the bike has a hybrid powertrain which can be implemented both in two-wheeler and three-wheelers. So what does it do? It basically replaces the starter motor of the engine. When there's an engine, there is a starter motor which starts or crank the engine. So what they have done is that they have removed that starter motor and they have replaced it with a different motor altogether. So what does this motor do? This motor connects to the crankshaft of the engine. So imagine this is the engine, this is the piston part and this is the crankshaft part. So they have installed the motor here. So this motor is connected to the crankshaft. So what does it do? So basically when you are starting the engine, when you're starting the bike, in this case you don't have to press the self start so that the starter motor can crank the engine. What happens is when you start the engine, when you start the bike, I mean you put the bike into on position and you twist the throttle, power goes from battery to the motor which is connected to the crankshaft and that rotates that motor which in turn rotates the crankshaft. So what happens? The crankshaft is rotated and the engine is now started. Now for the initial RPM, for the beginning phase when you're starting the bike, you need more torque. You need more torque to accelerate faster. You need more torque to move because you have to move the initial momentum. You need the initial momentum to go further. So that is aided by that electric motor because half of the work is done by that electric motor. So because this technology, the engine has to work less and you can ride more comfortably, more freely and more easily and without stressing the engine. So it will in turn reduce the fuel consumption as we are not totally dependent on engine to do the work and half of the work or some amount of work is done by the motor. Now other advantages. Now as we know that motor is connected to the crankshaft. So the movement when we are not accelerating, that the vehicle is in idle position, what happens? It helps in braking. We have engine braking, okay, but this is additional braking because the crankshaft will rotate the motor and the motor can act in opposite direction and it can act as a generator instead of a motor which will recharge the battery. So it has two advantages. Firstly, it will recharge the battery and secondly, it will slow down the vehicle. Now the other advantage of the system is that obviously it will reduce pollution because engine is not doing all the work. So there's pollution reduction, there is cost reduction because we are using less fuel all the time whenever we are riding. The vehicle will have better low-end performance because as I have told you earlier that initial startup will be better when we are using this kind of technology or for example this technology is also there in Maruti, Suzuki, they call it SHVS, Smart Hybrid Vehicle by Suzuki, I guess this is the full form. So there they use the same technology where the initial boost, initial power is given by a battery to the motor instead of depending on the engine to do all the work. So this is quite clever technology and this is patented technology by ARAI and it can be implemented both in two-wheelers and three-wheelers. And the best part of this technology that I liked was how compact it was. You know, if you saw the video before, there was just a small part just beside the left hand side engine cover where they've just taken approximately this size, this much amount of space, and the battery pack was placed very neatly below the seat as you have seen in the video. So how did you like the bike and would you want them to sell them as a DIY kit? Let me know by commenting down below and thank you for watching.